team members. The self-organizing group, 5 to 9 people max. They own the estimate. They plan their own work, tasks, dependencies, everything, like I said. They establish their own velocity, and velocity is really the rate of progress that they can get done in a given sprint. They have the authority to do whatever is needed to meet team commitments. So that's really important. They have the authority to go do what they need to get done. They don't have to wait for an approval. They don't have to do any of that. They just go and do the work. And then your job, again, as a Scrum Master is to make sure that they can do that. And if they have a roadblock, get it out of the way. They review and demonstrate work results to the product owner and receives acceptance. So when they do the work, the product owner takes a look at it, they demonstrate it in front of them, and the product owner then says, it's done. And it's also, they're all always cross-functional. So you don't have 2 people that have the same role. You don't have a primary and a backup. You just got one. That's it. You got one engineer for this, one builder for that, one programmer that does this function, because, again, the teams are designed to be small, so you can get a lot of work done in a very short period of time. And that seems to work really well.